everybody, it's Grace, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get notifications about when we go live on YouTube. If you watch our Sunday live streams on YouTube, then this is an important video for you to watch. We have always live streamed our services, but we only started live streaming on YouTube back in March. Now we are live streaming on both YouTube and Facebook for our Sunday morning worship gathering. Facebook normally sends you a notification when Lighthouse goes live. On YouTube, you have to set it up so it does. So today, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on desktop, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on mobile in case you're only watching on your phone. I'm also going to show you how to set up a YouTube account in case you don't know how to do that already, because you do have to have a YouTube account to set notifications. If you are not interested in making a YouTube account or having notifications sent to you when Lighthouse goes live on YouTube, then Sunday mornings at 10:30, just know that you can go to this link right here to find our YouTube channel where our live stream is. youtube.com/Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg. If you do not have the YouTube app on your phone and you do this just on your desktop, then the notification that Lighthouse has gone live will go to your email. All right, now let's get started. If you are on your desktop, you're going to want to open up your browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use any browser you want. Then you're going to want to go to youtube.com. Up in the top right-hand corner, you will be able to see if you're signed into an account. If it says sign in, click that and it will direct you to a different page where you can sign in. YouTube is a branch of Google. So if you have a Google account, you have a YouTube account. There's an orange box on your screen because I have 12 million emails and I don't want you to see them all. If this page opens up for you and none of the accounts that pop up are the account that you want to use for your YouTube, then go all the way to the bottom and click use another account. This will direct you to a different sign-in page. Here you can sign into your desired Google account. If you do not have a Google account, in the bottom left corner, click create account and then click for myself. Follow the directions on your screen to create your own free Google account. If you already have a Google account, when you click that sign in button, there will be a list of all the accounts that you're signed into on your device. You're going to want to click the account you want to sign into. Once you enter your password and click next, you should be redirected back to the YouTube page. If you're not redirected automatically, then just type YouTube back into your browser and it should be signed in. You can check to make sure that you're signed in by looking back in that top right-hand corner and seeing if your profile picture is there or if there's a letter there, like a G for Grace. Now we're going to find the church's YouTube channel and set up notifications for live streams. You're going to want to go to YouTube search bar and type in Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg. You should be able to find the YouTube channel once you do this, but if you can't find it for some reason, you can just go to youtube.com/Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg in your web browser, and you should still be signed into YouTube. Once you hit enter on your keyboard, you should be directed to a page where you see the church's YouTube channel. It will have the logo and say Lighthouse Church. If you see a big red button, that means that you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel. So you're going to want to click that so it turns gray, and then it will say subscribed. If your button is already gray, then you don't have to worry about that step. Next, you're going to want to click the bell and click all. This should notify you when we go live. Next, I'm going to quickly show you how to do this on your smartphone if you want a notification sent to your phone. First, you're going to want to make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, just go to whatever app store you have. I have an iPhone, so that's what you're seeing on your screen right now. And you're just gonna search up YouTube and download that app. Then you're gonna find the app wherever it is after it's done downloading and open it up. If you don't have a YouTube account, it's going to ask you to check off things that you're interested in so that it can customize your video homepage. Otherwise, it's just going to show you random videos, but you don't have to worry about that because you're about to sign into an account. So you can just click skip this for now in the bottom left-hand corner. Next, you're going to want to go up to the top right-hand corner where the little person icon is. I already have several Google accounts on my phone, so it recognized them. If that's the case for you, you can click on whatever Google account you want, or at the bottom, you can click on Add Account. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create a Google account right there on your phone by clicking Create New Account. Now that you're signed in, we're going to do the same things that we did on desktop, but just on our phone. You're going to click on the magnifying glass and search up Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg. You have to look up Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg or you're not going to find our church because so many churches are named Lighthouse and their YouTube channels are Lighthouse. So if you look up Lighthouse Church Stroudsburg, chances are you will find our YouTube channel. Once you've done that, when you scroll down a little bit, you should see our YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you click the red subscribe button so that it turns gray and says subscribed. Then click on the bell icon and click all. This will send notifications to your phone. If you guys ever decide, you know what, I don't really want these notifications anymore. I know that they go live every single Sunday at 10:30 and I know how to find the YouTube channel, then you can just click that bell again and click none. Remember, now we are live on YouTube and on Facebook. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/lighthousefgcog. Or you can find us on YouTube at youtube.com/lighthousechurchstroudsburg. We cannot wait to worship with you this Sunday, whether it's online or in person. See you guys there.